Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to easily repair your punctured car tyre using a tyre repair kit. First, pull out the object that caused the puncture. You can either use a pair of regular or pointy nose pliers to do this. Grab your tyre repair kit. I'll leave some links to these in the description. To roughen and clean the puncture site, insert this rasp tool and move it backwards and forwards a few times while twisting and turning the handle. Now unpack the plug and insert it into the eye of the needle tool. Feed the plug halfway through. Grab the rubber cement glue and spike the top with the reverse side of the lid to open. Now coat the middle section of the plug with the rubber cement glue. Push the needle and the plug around halfway into the puncture hole. Then pull the needle straight out and try not to twist and turn while doing this. Cut off the excess plug with a Stanley knife or scissors. Now reinflate the tyre. I like to inflate to around 40 psi. Grab some soapy water and pour it over the repair site and check for any active bubbling, which will indicate a leak. After this, give yourself a pat on the back. You just saved money on repairing your own tyre, so well done. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy plugging.